This video explores how to use Windows 11 virtual desktops and desktop snap layouts. In Windows 11, you begin with a single desktop environment, but you can create multiple environments, each with unique apps and files open, and easily switch between them. For example, you may want to create separate virtual desktops for different projects that you're working on, or to separate work tasks from personal tasks, which may be especially useful for those of you who work from home. We'll use the Task View or desktop icon on the taskbar to work with virtual desktops. If this icon is missing, you can add it by opening Settings, going to Personalization, Taskbar Settings, and making sure that Task View has been enabled. In this desktop, I'm working on multiple Word documents and Excel spreadsheets. It's my main desktop. I'm going to create a second virtual desktop by hovering my cursor over the Task View or desktop icon on the taskbar, and then clicking on New Desktop. This will open a separate desktop environment. Notice that the desktop icons and taskbar are the same across all virtual desktops. These cannot be changed on one desktop without impacting the others. Once you have a new desktop, you can open files or start apps. I'll open this map file I was working on. Maybe this desktop will be used for map editing today, between working on other projects. I can easily switch virtual desktops by again going to the Task View or desktop icon on my taskbar, and clicking on the desktop I want to work in. My files and apps should still be open and ready for me to continue. You can also switch between desktops by pressing the Windows and Tab keys on your keyboard and then clicking on the desired desktop. It's a good idea to provide distinctive names for your virtual desktops. You can rename them by going to Task View, right-clicking on a desktop, and selecting Rename. We'll rename my new desktop to Maps. And my original desktop we'll call Main. This will allow you to quickly identify specific desktops created for specific types of work or play. A desktop can be removed by opening Task View and clicking the X next to the desktop. Be careful with this, as the desktop will be deleted, and open files may not have saved your updates. In my case, I'll leave my Maps desktop open and ready for future use, and it'll even still be there after I restart my computer. Another multitasking feature in Windows 11 is an enhanced ability to snap applications into predefined layouts on your display. To initiate these snap layouts, open one of your apps like Microsoft Word and hover your cursor over the Minimize/Maximize option in the upper right-hand corner. Or alternatively, press the Windows key plus Z on your keyboard. Doing this will provide various layout options. Click on a part of one of these layouts to place the current app in that position. I'll put Word on the left side. Your remaining apps or files will be shown. Select which apps should be placed into each area of the selected layout. Once you've done this, you can work in other apps as needed. And always return to your Snap group by hovering over your browser icon and selecting the group. This will show all of your grouped apps simultaneously. These enhanced multitasking features take a bit to get used to, but once they become a habit, can be real time savers.